So this is a 2006 GMC Canyon. Now, hooking up the ignition wire, a lot of people will say that blue thing right there, right underneath the steering column, you tap into that black wire. That is incorrect. What you want to do is right below that, I'm going to put my phone up in there, right there. That is beneath that blue thing. And what I did was I took a tester, a battery tester, and put the connection on every wire coming out to see which one was hot when the ignition was on, and then when the ignition was off. So there's a black and red wire. You just want to tap into the red, and this is because there is no ignition wire. So let's check it out. Nice. So once again, all you need to do to hook up your stereo is find the hot ignition wire under the blue thing right there.